Hi, hello there, and welcome back. Today is my second day of 12 days of gifting. So, thank you for joining me. If you're just now tuning in, or if you're watching the replay, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know you're watching. So, today I'm going to show you our day 2 gift. So, this gift is perfect for any of the skincare gurus in your life. This is going to be perfect for them, and it's under $20. So today's gift is the masking minis. I am so in love with these. They're awesome. Okay, first of all, the box is super cute. Like, I like that it's pink and purple, but then also you open it up, so you can open up this front side, and it tells you a little bit about the masks and all that stuff. This is so good because it's only $18, and it's gonna give whoever you're gifting this to 2 masks. So this is awesome for your daughters, or maybe your sister, or your sister-in-law, or your mom, your dog walker, anybody this could be really good for. So $18, you could even buy a box and split them too. So if you wanted to give them as little gifts, only $9 a piece, you could do that as well. But these are the 2 masks that are included. So we've got the pink clay mask and the moisture gel renewing mask. So these are little, they're mini. So I say travel size because they're not really, I wouldn't call it, it's not small. You're going to get quite a few uses out of it. I would say you should at least get maybe like 15 uses out of each of these containers. So they're 1 ounces to they're 1.2 ounces. So they're really good to travel with. So we've got the pink clay mask and we've got the moisture gel renewing mask. So those are the 2 that comes in this little box. So let me tell you, if you've never used these before, the moisture gel renewing mask is really good for if you have dry skin, if anybody in your life has really, really dry skin. I love the moisture gel renewing mask. A couple times a week, you can use it after. I love to multi-mask. That's my favorite with the pink clay mask. So pink clay mask first and then the moisture gel renewing mask. But you can also do them on separate nights. So these are really great for especially a stocking stuffer. And again, if you have multiple kids, you can break them up and stick 1 in each of their stockings. So these can be fun. So like I said, $18 for both of these. So tell me down below if you've ever used these masks before and what you think about these little masking minis. So, like I said, they come in this box, and then also it has instructions on the front, so I wanted to show you that too. So I opened it, but it actually has, so on the back, it explains the products and everything. So both of these masks are also good for all skin types. So you can have oily to dry skin, and these will work for all skin types. And that's because the moisture gel renewing mask is for everybody. I recommend the moisture gel renewing mask to everybody because everybody's skin is so dry. Even if we think our skin's not dry, a lot of times that's me. I'm like, my skin's really oily, but actually it's quite dry too. And so the hydration of that gel renewing mask, it helps so much. The pink clay mask is the most gentle clay mask that you can get. So it's really great for anybody who has even sensitive skin. I love the pink clay mask. So anyway, right in the inside, it also has some instructions in here. So it tells you cleanse, choose a mask, wait, and then rinse. So what you do is you cleanse your skin and then you pick your mask out. You can either pick the pink clay or the moisture gel renewing. And then after you wait 10 minutes, you wait just 10 minutes, and then you wipe it off with a wet washcloth, and then you put on your moisturizer afterwards. That's how you use these little masks. So if you've never tried them before, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to grab them for only $18 for both of them. Or these are incredible gifts. Incredible gifts. I know so many people will be very excited to receive these. You can use them immediately and they're going to help your skin. So those are going to help to soften your skin, hydrate your skin, and also purify. That pink clay mask is going to purify. So one thing I would add in is if you are getting this for somebody and you want it to be, you want to add a little something extra to it. This mask applicator is incredible. I love the mask applicator for the purpose that it is super, super easy to clean. It's easy to use. So you apply the mask right on top of here, and then you just use it to wipe it all over your face, rinse it off in the sink, and then it's good to go for the next time. So this is only $12 too. So 18 and 12. So for the whole thing, you can get these for $40 for the masks, the 2 masks, and the mask applicator. So tie this on front with a little bow. So cute. So darn cute. So you can shop these items right on my website. So up above in the description or down below, you're going to be able to find my website. You can shop. It has you linked directly to these little masking minis so you can check them out, see all the ingredients, see everything that's in there. And then the mask applicator you can find on there too. And then also there is another link up there. Make sure you sign up for my email list, because when you shop with me during my 12 days of gifting, so that's right now, you're shopping during my 12 days of gifting. Today is day number 2 of day number 2 of gifting. So anyway, it goes for 12 days though, from December 1st to December 12th. So if you sign up for that email list up above, or you're already on my email list, then you got an email and you know what the bonuses are, what the free products are that you can earn. If not, sign up and you're going to be able to find out exactly what you can get for free for shopping with me during my 12 days of gifting. So I hope you're excited. I know I'm excited. I love to do these to help you find gifts for everybody on your list. So let's real quick cover what we had yesterday for day number 1. So day number 2 is the masking minis, but day number 1 was the little lip duos. Love these lip duos. They're so stinking cute. So we have either the red and the berry, and we have the neutrals. So this was day number 2. This was day number 1. But I hope you enjoy this, and join me back here live tomorrow for day number 3. I'll see you guys back later. I'll see you later. Bye.